Hi again, everyone. Just to remind you, this is Calculus 1 class notes, and we are in section 1.1, functions and their graphs. In this second example, I've been asked to graph this function, which is a piecewise defined function. You can see that what we have is, both are linear, but we have the function 1 minus x, and we want that to be the case for x between 0 and 1, both including 0 and 1. And then we want to switch to the function 2 minus x, again another linear function. Now for x between 1 and 2, but of course not including 1 because 1 is included in the previous piece of the function, and then we will include 2 in this second piece. So both of these are simple linear functions. They both have a slope of -1, and the y-intercept for this function is 1, so between 0 and 1, that's a very simple function to graph. Notice that we have a filled in dot here to include both the fact when x is equals 0, that the function is included at x equals 0, and we also have it filled in here at x equals 1. Then when we get to x equals 1, we jump to this function of 2 minus x, which if it were to continue would have a y-intercept over here at y equals 2. However, it stops right at x equals 1, and we put an open circle here to indicate that we do not include that point in the graph. And then from there on, it's the function 2 minus x with a slope of -1 going down to where x equals 2, y equals 0, and we fill in that dot to make sure we include it.